Hi, I am Roxana from VP Estate, and in this video I will show how to import the Demo1. On this domain I just installed the theme and the included plugins, but before importing the demo, the theme needs to be activated. Here you need to add your license key. I added my license key, press check license, my theme is now activated. We have the option to add icons for features and amenities. For those icons to be imported along with the demo, the SVG support plugin needs to be installed and set up. I have it here already installed. You need to restrict it to admin. I will start with the demo import. This is Demo1. Click Continue and Import. The import process might take a few minutes. The import is complete. I will click Visit Site button. The demo content was imported, but for the content to show exactly as the official demo, you will need to make some manual adjustments. I will start with homepage. Here you have header section, and in our demo we have a video. You will need to upload your own video. I will show how. First you need to edit page. Go to Appearance options. Click Upload Video and select the video from your device. This is the video that I will select. I will press Insert into Post and update my change. In this section, you will be able to change the words over the header, title, subtitle. You can set video height, overlay color, and opacity. Now the header section will show correctly. Next, we have the display categories shortcode. For this shortcode to work correctly, you will need to double check if the IDs of categories are correctly assigned into the shortcode and add manually an image for each category used. The first step is to edit the homepage with Elementor. You need to go to the community section, click on each element and select a category. I will update the page. And now I will need to go into admin and upload an image for each category that I selected in the shortcode. Property categories can be found in admin. I uploaded all images and now this section shows correctly. The homepage elements are now complete. The next step is to decide on the map system that you will use. This can be done from Theme Options, Map section. If Google Maps is selected, then a Google Maps API key will need to be created and added in the site, or you can select OpenStreet. In this demo, we have set in membership per listing mode. This means that if agents will submit listings in your site, they will need to pay per listing. And as payment method, we have enabled WooCommerce. But for WooCommerce to work, the plugin needs to be installed and other settings to be made. I will explain each step. First, I will install the plugin. Add new. Installed, I just need to activate it. The plugin is now active. For this plugin to work correctly, there are pages that come with the plugin and you need to keep them in your site. The pages are My Account, Shop page, Cart page, and Checkout page. The next step is to set the payment add-ons that you need to have. But first, when you click on WooCommerce the first time, they will ask to go to a quick setup. You will need to finish it. Here you will need to tick options that are relevant for your business. The final step would be to set the WooCommerce add-on that you need to use for payments in your site. WooCommerce has over 100 merchants compatible, so you'll find one that will fit your business. The final step is to set permalinks correctly. You can do this from Settings, Permalinks, set them to post name, and save. This wraps our video. Thank you for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get instant notification on new videos.